So magandang araw kabola. Sa video na ito kabola, pag-uusapan natin ng isa-isa po. Of course, isa kada video para naman po magkaroon tayo ng focus sa mga minimay-himay po ni Sir Snow Badwa, yung mga na-reveal niya po na trade rumors sa kanya pong most recent po na video kabola. So, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe kabola, pindot naman po yung subscription na button kabola. First things first, again, respect po kay Sir Snow Badwa, sa kanya po galing itong mga trade rumors po na ito kabola. And of course, alam naman natin po ang validity niya. Huwag niyong paniwalaan yung mga haters niya. The reality is, he has real connections inside. And yung mga rumors niya po is, most of the time nangyayari. Kung di man nangyayari, the reality is, totoo yung mga rumors niya. Hindi lang talaga tumuloy po yung trade. Kabala, and now, we will talk about legends from the San Miguel Beermen. Kasi, this rumor started with the post po of Snow Badwa a few days ago with an appear, sabi niya dito, at nandito nga si Chris Ross at itong si Marshall Lassiter, diba? Maalala niyo po, may laro tayo ng bata, diba? Appear, disappear, may ganong klase po ng laro. So, susunod dun sa word na appear is disappear. Pag sinabi pong disappear, mawawala, kabola. And of course, paano mawawala? Si Chris Ross at saka si Marshall Lassiter from San Miguel Beermen, traded, diba? Kaya naman kabola, basically ini-imply dito ni Snow Badwa, at of course, kinonfirm niya rin po dun sa kanya pong video kabola na live, is that itong dalawang superstar na po na ito are on the trade block kabola. Now, ang tanong po natin sa video na ito, si Marshall Lassiter po muna tayo mag-focus. Sino yung tatlong teams kabola na dapat maging interesado dito po kay Marshall Lassiter po kabola? Si Chris Ross kasi kabola, napag-usapan natin siya dati, pero pwede pa rin naman natin siya gawin po ng bagong video sa susunod. Pero Marshall Lassiter muna tayo. Number 1 po sa listahan natin will be Barangay Ginebra, kabola. Diba? Kung mapapansin nyo, kailan lang nagiging tunay na championship contender po ang Ginebra? Palagi lang kapag meron na pong Justin Brownlee. Pero in reality, kapag strength po ng kanilang current rooster or local rooster kabola, dapat ba silang maging consistent din na title contender po sa Philippine Cup? The answer is yes, kabola. Ang biggest need nila sa Philippine Cup is, of course, consistent 3-point shooting. Someone who can actually consistently space the floor, kabola. Kasi sa Philippine Cup, most of the time, pinagsasabay na nila dyan. Yung kanila pong Twin Tower. Kung hindi makasabay yung Twin Tower, nandiyan, of course, is Scottie Thompson. And, of course, Thompson, improving na yung 3-point shot niya. Pero in reality, hindi pa rin naman ito consistent po, kabola. Same with their young wings na si Jamie Malonzo at itong si Jeremiah Gray. Kaya naman, adding a consistent 3-point shooter like a Marshall Lassiter, especially po dun sa kanila pong contendership dun sa Philippine Cup, it will be an excellent big boost, kabola. Just imagine, di ba? With him there, di ba? Him with Scottie Thompson, then maybe L.A. Tenorio, kabola, and Jamie Malonzo, and then one of Stan Heidinger and Japit Aguilar, di ba? You can then provide that spacing. They can now run flare screens for him, kabola, while Scottie Thompson is doing his thing po on the other side, so that if he can get open, kabola, then they will find him, then he will take the shot. Ganun lang po. He will really provide that spacing that Barangay Ginebra badly needs, especially on the Philippine Cup, kabola. Another San Miguel Corporation team that is, of course, badly in need of 3-point shooting is Magnolia, kabola. Alam nyo ba kung pang ilan po sila dito sa Commissioner's Cup in terms of 3-pointers made per game? Ilang 3-pointers yung pasok po nila kada laro? Of course, they are last, di ba? So, doon parang makita na natin, they are badly in need, kabola, of a 3-point shooter like Marshall Lassiter, kabola. He will provide that spacing that they need, and spacing na magpapadali po ng buhay ng isang Ian Sanggalang, ng isang Calvin Abueva, and of course, Gio Halalon, who is having a very good season. Kaso nga lang, they still need a partner sana na maging consistent po sa kanyang outside at shot, kabola, like a Marshall Lassiter, kabola. And then, of course, last option will be a Phoenix, because I just want them to have more shooting. Kasi sila yung pinaka-modern kasi na team dito sa PBA, and ako kasi I'm really crazy about modern basketball, so I really appreciate what Phoenix is doing, and if they can further boost it, then they should boost it, kabola. And how can they boost it? They can add the most consistent 3-point shooter po in this decade, Marshall Lassiter. Lassiter can then also be the mentor na kailangan po ng kanilang young wing na sina JB Mocon, Sean Manganti, Jairon Rios, di ba? So, he can be a good fit po with Phoenix, kabola. Kabala, sino dapat makakuha po kay Marshall Lassiter? Comment lang po sa baba.